Well, that looks awesome. And we know that it is holiday party season, and locally made foods are a unique way to say thank you this holiday season. Here to show us hostess gift ideas is Krista Ketting, owner of Dragonfly Gourmet Foods. So I want to know, if you are going to a party, what often will you bring a host?
What I normally bring is food. So as a chef, I like to bring something that they haven't tried before.
Okay, so the chef wants to bring food. I guess that was a no-brainer. You actually brought some of your own right now. And why did you pick these two things?
So spicy pickles are great because it's just something for people to talk about for the holiday season, and then it goes well with alcohol, which everyone loves to drink during the holiday.
Yeah, you can kind of throw it in for some of those Bloody Marys, and then it looks like you've also got some salsa there.
Yeah, so we have our black bean and corn salsa, which is great to go with this chips and dips pottery bowl as well.
Chips and dip, I mean, that can happen at any time of the day. I'm like, we could bust that out right now. You actually have a really great event that's coming up. So can you tell me about that?
Yeah, so our handmade holidays, my husband and I curated it for the second year in a row. So it's open from November through the end of December. And then we have about 15 to 20 different stores that are in our store, companies that are in our store.
You're going to have to spend some time on this because it's catching my eye, and I think anybody from Kansas City is really going to love it.
Yeah, so this is made by Good Vibes Metal, so it's the Kansas City skyline. She makes them in different colors as well, and then she does handmade customized items as well.
Okay, you guys hand selected this for your event that's coming up, and it's just one of those ways to maybe shop locally as well as find these perfect unique gifts.
Yes, so it's a great way to do something that's unique that you can bring to the party that nobody else will probably have.
Okay, and you might want to use this for that chips and dip you were talking about.
Yes, exactly. So you can just bring this alongside and then a little bag of chips and then put it out for the party and then tell the host or the hostess that they can leave this and keep that.
Okay, and we've got a couple more gifts over here. Who would you recommend those for?
So this would be great to bring for your boss. So if you're doing like your holiday party, so you can put like a bottle of wine or a bottle of scotch in there and take that.
Okay, and you're also giving them a nod to maybe serve up the prime rib, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, and what is this here? It looks like a honey mustard?
So it's a honey mustard. So it's made by Just Enough Heat. So they make mild to moderately spicy items as well, which is great to pair along your meats that you have for the holiday season.
Okay, so how did you guys actually pick all of these items? We got toffee over here?
Yes. So we picked them throughout the year, and then just things that we like that we found throughout the year at different shows and events that we go to, and then just people that we have found.
Okay, well, I think that anyone would be so excited to get the toffee or maybe even this lovely little wine bottle bag. And then once again, like, how do you actually find the perfect host or hostess gift? Do you have to really know the person, or do you kind of just think, I would like to get this?
Well, I kind of think of it as that. So I do a little bit. So if you kind of know the person, you want to think about them and go through that. And if you don't know them, then you think about something that maybe everybody would like, just all encompassing.
Okay, and do you have tips? Like, would you say, do one of these, do a couple of them? How much is too much or too little?
I would do 1 to 2 at the very most.
Okay, because you don't want to give somebody overwhelming. Or you've also seen people bring something like a bouquet of flowers without the vase. Well, then they've got something else to deal with.
Yeah, it's more work for them. So you want it to be just a gift that's less work and that they can just either display or share with the guests.
Yeah, you want it to be simple. Thank you so much, Krista, for all those great ideas. And of course, we'll have to look for handmade holidays coming up.